In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export LibreOffice Impress to PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have a clean .pptx file you can open and present in Microsoft PowerPoint with minimal surprises. Start by opening your presentation in LibreOffice Impress. Before converting, it's a good idea to save a safety copy in the native format, so use File, then Save, to keep an .odp version you can return to if you need to make edits later. Now you're ready to export to PowerPoint. Go to File, then Save As. In the dialog that appears, choose where you want to save the file, give it a clear name, and look for the Save As Type or File Format drop-down. Select Microsoft PowerPoint 2007-365 .pptx. This is the modern PowerPoint format and will give you the best compatibility. Click Save. LibreOffice may show a warning that some features aren't fully supported by PowerPoint. That's normal. Choose the option to use the PowerPoint format and proceed. If you rely on advanced animations, complex slide masters, or certain text effects, be aware that they may be simplified during the conversion. That's why a quick post-export check is important. Next, open the new .pptx file to review it. If you have Microsoft PowerPoint, open it there to see exactly how it will look for your audience. If not, you can reopen the .pptx in Impress to spot obvious changes. Go slide by slide and look for text reflow, replaced fonts, shifted elements, or altered animations. Pay extra attention to charts, tables, and embedded objects, as these are the most likely to change. If fonts don't look right, switch to common system fonts before exporting, such as Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman, which typically translate well. For images and videos, make sure media is embedded or placed in the same folder as your presentation prior to export. Linked videos can sometimes break when moving between computers. If something doesn't survive the export cleanly, consider replacing that element with a simpler alternative. If you need to share with someone using an older version of PowerPoint, repeat the Save As steps and choose the .ppt format instead. Just remember that this older format may reduce quality or remove newer features. As a time-saving tip, if you frequently share with PowerPoint users, you can set .pptx as your default save format under the application's options, so future presentations are already in the right format. That's it. You've successfully exported your LibreOffice Impress presentation to PowerPoint and verified it's ready to present.